stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies.
Hi guys, good morning. Thank you guys so much. I got all of your calls, your emails, and I'm so grateful. Now, Messy Magic. Messy Magic is about consistency, discipline, and hard work. So it's not like all of you thinking you just sleep and wake up and you dry up. There is no shortcut to weight loss. Now, like I said earlier, there are stuff that can help you enhance it, make it faster for you to lose weight, but you have to be disciplined, consistent, and hard working. You have to learn to lose all of the pounds. As wives, as moms, we need to get our body back, we need to get that confidence back. I really wanted it so bad. I've tried other products that did not work, and so I went on my own research, did my own stuff, and I was so much in shock at the results I got. Trust me, just around, there's nothing added to it. I still have all of my scars that have to do with motherhood and having kids. They're all like still there. Okay. So listen, everything is achievable. I've gotten plenty comments. Some people say, nah, it's not. I don't even know what tummy tuck is. Okay, yes, I always had like a flat tummy, but listen, I have 3 kids. You can work on it. You can. When you live right, you know, when you follow the steps and you live right and you eat healthy, yes, it's achievable, extremely achievable. Let your eyes go off the cake. In a while now, like a year or a year and a half, I haven't had swallow, you know, so I just learn to control it. You control it, you can leave it. Okay, so my name is Mercy. Okay, so my name is Mercy Johnson Okoje. Messy Magic will be out next week. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for always supporting me. It means a whole lot to me. I'm nothing without you guys. All 4.6 million followers on my Instagram page. You guys are awesome. I love you. Bye.
Okay.
Alright, so good morning friends. This Green Detox video has taken like forever, but I'm ready. I went through so much need to do this, trust me. Okay, so we're here. Now, there are lots of information on the internet. If you follow the internet, there are some information that are correct, some are totally wrong, some are extremely confusing. Our body mechanisms are different, our metabolism is different. So I think just pick the routine that works for you and follow it. I listened, I tried plenty, I got tired and I decided to stick to what works for me. So here are vegetables. Here we have the celery. You can use both the leaves and the stem. Here we have kale. Kale is the king of vegetables, extremely healthy. It has basically everything. The difference between kale and spinach is that spinach has more iron, but kale is like the highest when it comes to vitamin C and every other thing that you would need. I have my mint leaf, I have my parsley that helps with weight loss. I have my cucumber, I have my lemon, I have my cheese ready now. That's it. Have it in your glass. That's how you see it on sides. Right? That's it. Ready to drink. Now, depending on your preference, some people actually sieve it and drink it that way, but as you can see, it's grains. So you can, all you can do is, you know, choose what you prefer and then you drink. I'm one of the last people on earth to pretend or, you know, to lie about anything. Trust me, it took me time, but these are part of the phases that I took. I know that detoxifying, maybe sometimes you might used to do a lot more, but I detoxified and it worked for me, and I think that we should information. So I think seek the information and use the one that works best for you. Hey guys, thank you for loving me so much. I love you guys, but I love my husband more. Cheers.
We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I